Hi, I'm Mike Callahan, and with me is Kiran Patel, who's Senior Product Manager for AWS Elemental.
Hi.
And we're at the Buffer-Free Conference, the, I guess, kind of second, but really first Buffer-Free conference that's really focused on media. So you haven't seen much of it yet because we're still early first day, but kind of what are you looking forward to?
I think the session lineup's great, but I think more around, I think Kawaja already mentioned, like the community that's getting together. Like we do the video tech meetups. I go to the ones in Portland. We go to DMUX regularly, and it's a good event where you have, people are into their video and the video streaming, and it's not around kind of sales. It's actually a really good education sharing, networking event, and you learn from others in the community.
Yeah, that's definitely the goal of the community meetups and the end of this conference too.
Yeah.
So you're speaking at this conference, and your topic is a little bit full of acronyms, MQCS, CMSD, is that right?
Yep.
So can you tell us a little bit about what that means and how that's playing out in the,
it's a
streaming
big
world?
Alphabet soup around making your streaming more resilient when you're already adding redundancy. So the CMSD is a standard around getting data through your encoding pipeline out, going from encoders into the CDNs. I'm going to get them wrong now.
MQCS? Is that right?
MQCS stands for Media Quality Confidence Score. So that's something that we've kind of started with Media Live on the Elemental product suite, which looks at the video and assigns it a quality score. And it's a confidence score because it's not necessarily saying the video is bad, because it doesn't know if it potentially, if it's a black frame, it might be intentionally a black frame. But the idea is you can compare it to other video, and if one score is worse than the other, you can make a decision downstream. And that's where the CMSD, so it can embed that data in the video, a packager can then be making a decision on it, and it can also, a CDN can be making a decision on it. So it lets you build an end-to-end workflow that can be resilient for media quality issues, so your end users always can be watching the best quality video you're producing. Okay,
so beyond just bit rates, then you're taking in the quality of the video and including that in a way that the downstream tools work, for your downstream workflow, that they can then make decisions based off of that.
Yeah.
So what type of content is most important for these tools?
So we see this being huge for kind of the big events, so especially sporting events, where you are almost by design making sure that your workflow is resilient. You target kind of uptimes, but the real goal is to be up 100%. So with those short periods of time, you want to make sure you're not missing even a frame of that video. So we're seeing it, like any live sporting event where it's important that all viewers are seeing all of the action, they're going to be wanting to make it redundant, make it resilient so you're not missing a frame. And also, if you've got diverse video paths, make sure that the best video is what ends up getting to the viewers.
Awesome. Well, thank you, Kiran, for talking at the show, and thank you for giving us a brief explanation of kind of what you're going to go through. I'm looking forward to hearing more about it.
Yeah, looking forward to the rest of the show.
Thank you.